I came as a total stranger and now I never want to leave.
What the hell did you just see? Okay, here we are. Damn, it's been a long time since I talked to the camera all by myself like this. It's kind of weird again. Back in August, I jumped on a plane and flew from Barcelona all the way to a little sexy island in Greece by the name of Kos. Very beautiful, very sexy. If you haven't been there, you should be there. I went there because I was on a mission to make a movie for European Bartender School in Kos, which is the company that I work with. If you didn't know that, now you know. Best 10 days of the year, no doubt. So I spent 10 days on the island of Kos recording to make this movie, because the goal of the movie was to promote the school in Kos, which is a bartending school. I'm gonna skip through all the bartending stuff and stick to the adventure and the travel part just to be most relevant for this. Hooray! So without any further ado, I hope you enjoy. So without any further ado, I hope you enjoy this little movie. Stay sexy, stay healthy, keep smiling. Bye.
I found myself really loving how positive and upbeat the entire community is.
During the course, I've met so many friends from all over the world.
Greece and Armenia, Denmark to Brazil.
It's so nice atmosphere between the classmates.
We've become really, really good friends.
Gonna open soon. You're welcome to the night in. Could I see your ID, please? Yes. We want you to feel special, so please. Are you feeling special tonight?